This is a Country Boy Moz production.
What up, everybody? Welcome back. This is my second load. The first load I had full of boxes. So I just want to tell y'all we've been blessed. We finally done closed on our house. Big thumbs up, big clap celebration. Yes, sir. We closed on our house. Packing up. This is why the Durango's so good. I had boxes, everything, all the way lined up, packed up to the T, using every piece of space in this mug. So this pretty much I'm just taking all our loose items, pretty much to move majority of the house. So I finally got a garage, y'all. A 2-car garage. You feel me? A 2-car garage, bro. Crisp. But yeah, let's get to it, man. We're gonna get the U-Haul and everything, and yeah, gonna start everything up this morning. We're gonna get to it, man. We out of here. We are out. Got our own now. So let's get to it. All right. Look at all this paper I got in here. Y'all excuse me. But go ahead, start up this morning, man. All right, we got starters. Get the heat going. All right, we're in there. All right, so I'm gonna get this heat going on me, and then we're gonna go from there. See y'all at the house. Y'all made it to the house. All right, I brought some stuff over last night, so pretty much my cousin came by, helped me get some stuff, like my drill, like the table, put on the back of the truck and stuff. I appreciate you, cuz, if you're watching. But most of the boxes and stuff, I was able to load it up in the Durango. So I'm gonna unload this, go in the house, I'm gonna clean the carpet. Yeah, so I got an LED light. So this pretty much where y'all gonna be seeing all the new YouTube videos. Yep, all the new YouTube videos will be pretty much in here. Yeah, man, it's just truly a blessing. Truly a blessing, man. We just gonna keep it rocking. Like I said, we brought that last night. So I'm gonna unload this, stack it in here, clean the carpet. We're gonna be fully moved in by the night. But man, I'm just so thankful. And the Durango fits in here so good, bro. It fits in here so good, but let me get to it. Ain't nothing but to do it. We got a long day, busy day, so I'll see y'all when we done. All right, y'all. So we pretty much got everything out the garage almost. So that shelf got to go to the trash. But so far, everything is almost out of the garage. And then we're gonna start doing some, how can I say, maybe I'm gonna paint a wall or two, different accent color. My goal is to try to get me a logo or something and put on this side of the wall of my YouTube logo. I think that'll be pretty good, like just pretty much just paint the inside. I don't know if I want to do a black accent wall, which I think would be good, or satin black on this wall. And then I want to put the flooring down on the garage also. A part of me want the hexagon lights. I don't know yet because I already got that LED light right there. And it's really bright. So, but yeah, so far, man, we getting there. We almost there. Almost there. But I'm thankful, I'm blessed, thank God, you know, for blessing our family to be able to close on our very first home. And I mean, y'all out there that watching, if you haven't closed on your home, you're next, man. You next. I'm claiming this positive energy. Y'all are next. You're going to close on your house one day, and definitely going to be able to enjoy it. Like I said, there's going to be a lot of stuff coming, but I got to take care of essentials for the house first. And then once I'm done with that, then I start doing other stuff, other videos. What I do got coming in is some headlights for the Durango. So, like I said, one of my headlights blows. So I'm doing the torch beam from Amazon. I'm gonna try them out and see how they are. Hopefully they're good. They'll be here tomorrow. But yeah, overall, man, look at that. Ain't never God there, man. We've been blessed. Really been blessed. So I couldn't give y'all a whole bunch of video clips and tours and everything. But you know, some of the stuff I got to keep private to the family. But y'all will definitely see more of this. And we not outside no more. That's the best part about it. We not outside. So it's been a struggle dealing with the weather and everything. Like if it's cold outside, man, we just pop the cars in, do a video there. And like I said, the Durango fits in here. I'm gonna test it with my wife's car in here. Both of them, I think they're gonna fit just fine. And yeah, I still got my old mufflers. Like I said, if I don't like it, like the sound, want to go back quiet a little bit, just go get them put back on. But yeah, I'll see y'all on the next one, man. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for being very supportive and like everything supporting the channel. Had a big impact of this process. And y'all take care, man. Peace out.